Hi everybody, and welcome to the video. I'm going to go through here real quick and show you how easily Alexandria Engine creates children's books. So that module is right here. So you click on children's books. It shows you the books that you've already created. I'm going to go up here and just say generate new book. You have 3 different engines you can use for your book. I'm going to go with DeepSeek for right now. You can change your moral theme here. I'm going to go respect and courtesy. Your writing style, I'll go with Julia Donaldson. I'll change the age range from 7 to 9. You can also change your color palette over here, cool and calming. I'll say realistic. I'll just change that to say 16 pages. And I'll say generate book concept. Book concept is generated. Basically come down here and create book. Generate your outline. Once your outline is created, you just basically say, okay, I'm okay with the text on the pages here, so I'll accept it. And then I'll generate all my illustrations. It'll start from here to show you exactly how many you have. You have 16. So it's going to go through and it's going to make 16 different illustrations for the book. As you can see, we've generated 6 of the 16 images. It's going to finish generating all the images. Okay, and as you can see, all the illustrations were completed for each page. As you go through, you can see how very nice the illustrations are and how consistent they are with the characters throughout the book. So the next thing you want to do is move to formatting and generate your cover. So the cover's been created. We can upscale the cover if we would like to, but as you can see, everything is complete. We have all of our mods for KDP to publish. We can also take a look at the HTML page. Finding the rabbit in the coral bed. And now, if you want to, you can come here and say, okay, we're going to do our own audio, or we could be done right here. We have everything we need. If you want to publish it on Kindle, just click here. This generates all your Kindle information for you. Everything that you need, all your keywords, your categories, your audience, everything you need for Kindle. Spotify, ACX, and you can upscale this for your covers. You can also move this over to audio production, and you can literally do the full narration. You just pick your voice that you want to use. I'll go with OpenAI. I'll go with Shimmer. Save the voice. Generate your opening credits. And you come here and generate your closing credits. And after your opening and closing credits are done, you can generate all your audio. So just click here. And as you can see, all of the audio has been generated for each page. One cool feature that you can do with the audio, you can come back here to audio and you can combine all the audio to one particular file. You have the whole book there. You can listen to it.
Fern the Rabbit and the Coral Bed, A Tale of Rest and Respect. Written by Julia Featherston. Deep down in the ocean, where the coral glows bright, lived Fern the rabbit, with seafoam fur and eyes that never closed, while other sea creatures slept.
So that's the sound and voice that we chose for the book. Now that we've done all this stuff right here, we could also create a video. So we come here, do a vertical. We could also use the URL for the image, add a little music to it, bring this down a little bit. I'll use Rich Pop and Luckiest Guy. And it'll check if everything is configured here. And just generate your video. And as you can see, our video was created here.
Fern the rabbit.
And it basically takes your opening, your closing credits, and it puts it at the beginning and the end of the book. So it sounds professional.
And the Coral Bed, A Tale of Rest and Respect. Written by Julia Featherston. Deep down in the ocean, where the coral glows bright, lived Fern the rabbit.
So it goes through the entire book. It illustrates every single page, and you can basically pick your text type, font size, and all that kind of stuff from the dashboard. But as you can see, the video plays well, and that's the vertical. But we could also change this to landscape and regenerate. Same video. You can generate as many videos as you want, and you also have the option to share right here. So that's just a quick run through of the children's books. Everything is ready to go. Share. You can also upscale your cover photo here if you need. Switch this over to publishing and switch it over to market as live. And I think that's about it. Thanks for watching.